Attention to the Creator's creation is more important than the nonsense you make up in your head. Unfortunately, people in the world, particularly this generation, has come to a place where there's not a moment of respite from their own thoughts and emotions and external inputs in the form of various media that we have. It's very important that you pay attention to Creator's creation, because that's where life is. That is where the basis of your life is. It's time you spend at least a little bit of time in a day paying attention to maybe to a leaf, maybe an ant, if you don't find an elephant, anything. Just pay enough attention and see how fantastic every dimension of creation is. But human beings are too invested in their own thought and emotion. Your own petty creation has become far more important than the Creator's creation. When you ignore such a spectacular creation and make up some rubbish in your head, well, inevitably you will suffer. You must understand, almost all of human suffering is made in your head. Why are we using our heads like this? We are supposed to be the most intelligent species on the planet, but look at us, how much misery we cause to ourselves and to every other life. Time to change it. 2020, which which everybody's struggled with, is going away. The new year, at least, pay attention to the Creator's creation. Well, you will see magic and wonder and spectacular miracles everywhere. May you know the miracle of life, because you are life, you must know the miracle of your life.